ICP is getting ready to go on one of the most historic runs that we have seen from an altcoin. Some people go as far as saying that we can see a Chainlink-like move when it went from 25 cents to $50. Taking a look here, ICP over the last 24 hours, the second biggest gainer, coming in at over 19%, sitting at $17, moving up to the number 19 on the market cap, according to coinmarketcap.com. If you go to the 7-day, ICP comes in at number 4, behind only Stacks, Ondo, and Toncoin, 40% gains over the last 7 days. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why a new narrative has been forming for ICP that has taken other coins in the same sector, 50, 60, 70 X's. Can ICP do the same? You're going to want to stay tuned in the video to find out. We have a lot of bullish indicators coming in on ICP here. So I have ICP on the daily from Binance, and a couple things I got going on here. One on the top here is our signals and overlays. So we have seen two things. One, we're seeing a very, very strong buy signal here from these signals and overlays. Also, I like to note our candles have turned from purple to green, which signifies we went from a choppy market to now a more of an uptrend. I want to show you what happened the last time that this occurred. You could take a look back here. This was back towards end or mid-December, around December 7th to be exact. We had our first green candle flash. We had a couple red and purple candles, and then it was a massive move. And that move, my friends, was a 234% move. ICP looks strong on the day chart. It looks strong on the week chart. It looks strong on the 4-hour chart. If we take this off and take a look at our price action concepts, and hey, look, we're getting close to this premium zone. We actually got rejected right off it, but this thing is dynamic, so it tends to move with the price. But the bullish thing I want to show you here on the daily is the break of structure. We have made enough higher highs and higher lows for the structure of the ICP chart to change to positive. You can see here, the last time we got to as low as around $10.60. We had a big liquidity grab that pushed price to where we are now, which is $17. Now, this was tweeted by Dominic Williams, the founder of the CEO of Dfinity Labs. Earlier this weekend, the internet computer passed 3 billion blocks. It's probably now processed substantially more blocks than all the other blockchains combined. Does put a question mark. It is a beast. We take a look here from the ICP dashboard. Top left, 3.009 billion blocks mined. You can see here transactions. They are currently at 5,700 transactions per second. Now, this is real time. These are not theoretical numbers. And then I will actually put this link in the description of this video so you can go into more detail, because it's got a bunch of different metrics and statistics that we're not going to go over in this video, but you can feel free to do so yourself if you'd like to. Also, like take a look at DeFi Llama. So although ICP's TVL is not as high as a lot of the other ones, only 27 million, what I do want to point your attention to is this green chart on the right, which shows developer commits, and you can see here it has seen a massive rally since the beginning of 2022, and we are starting to see an uptick there again. I would also like to show you the volume on ICP as I zoom in to 2024. This towards the end of 2023 going into 2024, we've seen massive spikes of volume on ICP, and there's a lot of reason why. So I did mention some people are referring to the potential of what ICP is going to do to what Chainlink did, going from 25 cents to $50, which is around a 200x. Can ICP do the same? Let us know in the comment section below. But this is from capitalcoin.com. Internet computer makes other projects obsolete. And I'm going to show you and tell you why. ICP is so unique because a lot of the other things, take, for example, an Oracle service. On ICP, you don't need that. Take, for example, a web hosting service, right? Data stores like Amazon Web Service or Google Cloud. You don't need that with ICP because everything happens on chain. There's no other project that can say that. They're usually leveraging other companies and other projects to do so. You also have a few things here from the website. Obviously, you can run Bitcoin smart contracts on ICP. That's a big one. So they got the Bitcoin narrative going, right? Also, Ethereum. So because ICP canister smart contracts can call into Ethereum smart contracts, it enables a true world computer in a multi-chain environment. Smart contracts can seamlessly communicate across blockchains. ICP already integrates with the Bitcoin network, and native ETH integration is underway. Why is this important? Because ETH is the liquidity king, right? Close to $60 billion in total value locked. A lot of that is on Ethereum. And so, well, all of that is on Ethereum out of a grand scheme of around 90 to 95 billion. And then also HTTPS outcalls. The power of these outcalls on the internet computer lies in their ability to connect smart contracts directly to the Web 2 world, opening up a plethora of use cases, retrieve market data from crypto exchanges, send emails, integrate with other blockchains, and more. So there is so much happening on the internet computer that we still feel, even with this big rally, that the price is lagging behind the true potential of what ICP is going to be doing. But the big one here, guys, is ICP was the first blockchain that an AI ran a smart contract. So Internet Computer demonstrates first blockchain AI smart contract. This is massive news. I'm going to share a video with Dominic Williams and how he goes through what the potential of this on ICP is going to be. Internet Computer CEO and Chief Scientist Dominic Williams took to X to showcase a demonstration of the parent company, Dfinity's latest artificial intelligence innovation. According to the post, ICP has introduced the first blockchain-based AI smart contract. He described the new product as, quote, a demonstration of AI running on blockchain as a smart contract. The Internet Computer AI is part of the protocol's mission to develop a system where powerful LLMs run as smart contracts on ICP. This was in reference to what I said earlier in the video, right? You've seen all these AI coins just absolutely explode. Look at Near Protocol, look at Fetch.ai. And well, ICP now has the AI narrative in the bag as well. Also, it is expected that the mission is achieved in such a way that it is tamper-proof, unstoppable, and optionally autonomous. Now, Dominic did put out a tweet with a video that we will put in the description of this video. And in the video, a couple notes I have here. So in the video, it describes as this is what AI running on a smart contract on blockchain looks like, and that ICP is the only blockchain that can run compute at scale. It currently takes this AI around 10 seconds to classify an image, which is what he shows in the video that you will go and watch, and it will dramatically decrease in the future. So even 10 seconds, according to Dominic, is too long. Now, over the next 1 to 2 months, the ICP execution will go from a 32-bit WASM to a 64-bit WASM. Now, why is this important? The 32-bit WASM limits smart contracts to only 4 gigabytes of memory, and his goal over the next few months and years is to go from 4 to 32 gigabytes. And what that'll allow it to do is it would allow the most powerful LLMs to run smart contracts on ICP, something that a lot of other projects have tried to do, but they haven't been able to do it, and ICP is looking to do that. And so just a lot of exciting stuff happening with ICP. Then you have this as well, their pioneering role in shaping the future of CBDCs, RWAs, and global financial markets. Now, of course, we know CBDCs are probably coming in the future, although myself and you probably watching don't necessarily agree with it or like it. But if we really have no say in it, and so why not try to make money as it comes? So, but I do want to highlight here a few segments. So this is from Yahoo Finance, innovating with real world assets and digital tokens. ICP facilitates the integration of tangible assets into the digital economy through tokenization, transforming asset management investments. This approach democratizes access to investment opportunities, making it simpler and more cost-effective to manage and invest in assets. Also, expanding the ecosystem with chain key crypto innovations. ICP's ecosystem growth is further propelled by chain key crypto's introduction of stable coins like CKUSDT and the tokenization of major cryptocurrencies such as CK Sol. We know they have CKBTC and numerous ERC20 Ethereum tokens. These developments highlight ICP's dedication to interoperability and ecosystem expansion. Advancing global financial inclusion with universal trusted credentials. A significant stride towards financial inclusion is a collaboration between ICP Hub Singapore and the Dfinity Foundation with the United Nations Development Program, also known as the UNDP, to implement universal trusted credentials. This is one of those things where there is so much happening on this chain that you don't know what to get excited about, but it's just easiest to just be excited about all of it. And then one last thing I do want to share. ICP kicks off Build on ICP Portugal Hackathon to drive ecosystem growth. So ICP truly did not get a fair shake in the last bull market. It was completely manipulated from the likes of Sam Bankman-Fried and his company Alameda Research. People have slept on ICP. People continue sleeping on ICP. But let me tell you right now, if you are sleeping on ICP after watching this video and doing your own research, you are going to miss out on one of the biggest moves that we've seen from an altcoin. Let us know what you think in the comments section. Are you bullish on ICP? And make sure to come check out our live show Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.